Forget the mystery. Paella isn't an impossible science, it's a master method. I'm Chef Jay, and in less than 3 minutes, I'm going to give you the blueprint to master any style of Spanish rice, meat, seafood, or veggie. But first, my three non negotiable laws for every single pan. Only short grain absorbent rice, like bomba. No long grain, no jasmine. Period. Your foundation. A slow cooked, rich paste of grated tomato, garlic, and sweet paprika. This isn't a risotto. Once the rice is in, you do not touch it. Style number one, traditional meat. We're talking chicken, rabbit, and flat green beans. The beginner mistake here, using store bought broth. For a meat paella, you make the stock directly in the pan. You sear the meat aggressively with salt until it's deeply caramelized. Build your sofrito in the center, add water to the rivets, and boil it hard for 15 minutes. You are forcefully extracting the flavor from the bones to create a rustic, rich broth right before the rice goes in. Style number two, seafood. The biggest trap? Rubbery seafood because it cooked too long. Our technique shifts completely here. First, do a quick, high heat sear on your peeled shrimp and seafood for 1 minute to infuse the oil. Then, take them out. Next, because we aren't boiling bones in the pan, you need a spectacular, pre made fish stock. Cook the rice in that rich stock and sofrito, and only bring the seafood back to the top for the last 4 minutes to gently steam. Style number three, vegetarian. Do not just throw frozen peas on rice and call it a day. Vegetables contain a lot of water, so the technique here is a hard, smoky sear on seasonal, sturdy veggies like artichokes and wild mushrooms to lock in their sugars. To replace the depth of meat or fish, use a stock made from deeply roasted onions and garlic to give the grain that massive umami hit. No matter the style, the clock is the same, 18 to 20 minutes total. 8 minutes on high heat to let the grains settle, 10 minutes on low to let them absorb the flavor. In the final minute, crank the heat. Listen for that sharp crackling sound. That's the fat frying the bottom layer of rice against the metal. That is your socarrat. Let it rest for 5 minutes off the heat. Three styles, one master method. Pick your pan, respect the rice, and go dominate your kitchen. Tell me in the comments which style you're cooking first. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you at the next table. Buen provecho.